The F-22 Raptor is often considered one of the best fighter jets in the world for several reasons. 1. Stealth capability. The F-22 is designed with advanced stealth technology, making it difficult for enemy radar to detect and track it. This gives it a significant advantage in terms of surprise and evasion. 2. Superior maneuverability. The F-22 has exceptional agility and maneuverability, allowing it to outmaneuver and engage enemy aircraft effectively. 3. Advanced avionics. It features state-of-the-art avionics systems, including sensors and data fusion capabilities, which enhance situational awareness and target acquisition. 4. Supercruise. The F-22 can supercruise, meaning it can sustain supersonic speeds without afterburners, extending its range and endurance. 5. Multi-role capabilities. While primarily an air superiority fighter, the F-22 has multi-role capabilities, allowing it to perform ground attack missions as well. 6. Interoperability. It is designed to work in conjunction with other friendly aircraft and assets, enabling effective joint operations. 7. Unmatched air dominance. The combination of stealth, speed, agility, and advanced systems makes the F-22 exceptionally potent in gaining and maintaining air superiority. It's important to note that the F-22 is considered one of the best fighter jets, but opinions may vary, and other advanced aircraft like the F-35 and newer developments may also be highly competitive.